are a few different tools that we can use to get our psoas, which is a complicated muscle to get, right? It's so deep that sometimes it's hard to really get down to it. The Myo-Dot was designed for that. You can place it right between your belly button and your hip bone. That line in between the two is where you're going to find your psoas. You would lay down on your stomach and then fold over that. Yeah, mine's tight. If you laugh, you'll feel it activate as well. So squeezing your tummy, you're gonna get pressure. You want to release the squeeze of your stomach. It goes limp. You're not trying to show off your abs. You're trying to relax, melt into the roller. So if you can bring your hands all the way down and lay down, then you're gonna have the best amount of weight for that. You will breathe through this. So big inhales, long exhales for 30 seconds to a full minute. You can also lift this leg up and down just to make sure that you've got the right amount of pressure. It'll give you feedback. And then relax and enjoy it. I bent my leg out to the side so I have better range and can actually lay flat. The same thing can be done with our tried and true. So if you don't have a Myo-Dot, don't fret. We can do the same thing with this one. It's almost more entertaining to use because we get to treat it like a baby. Same space, belly button to hip, that little line in between, zone 4 goes on that line. So it's like I'm advertising a baguette or I'm holding a young infant. And then I'm gonna lay down, same way that I did before, on that roller. The more I can relax over it, the more I'm going to stretch. So I may have to get this out of the way a little bit so I can dig better. Again, I can stretch my arms long, and then focus on breathing. Your inhales are gonna make it stretch more because it's putting pressure on that. It will feel unpleasant. So you really need to focus on big inhales. That's gonna allow for the most stretch. Your long exhales help you sink deeper into it. Exhales are used for the reset and the here it comes, and then inhales are the moment. So make the most of the moment. Each side will be different. So you may have more tenderness or tightness or sensation on one side or the other, which is why we do both. If you have a point roller, you lucky duck, this was designed for that. The point of the roller can go right there in that zone that we pointed out before, belly button to hip in between. You can sit and do it. That's enough pressure. I can just press down into it and there I go. If I want more pressure than that, or if my arms are tired, I did arms today, I need more pressure, I'm going to put the end of this on the wall and then I lean into the wall. Again, I'm going to hold, I'm going to breathe, focusing on those inhales, regrouping during the exhales.